Big news today at Camp Nou. Phase 1C is officially opening tomorrow during the Barcelona match against Sevilla, bringing more sections of the stadium closer to fans. Workers have been racing to finish key areas, from the south goal seating to decorative lamas, with massive structural lifts taking place that no one has ever seen before. Let's walk around the stadium and see all the incredible progress happening as the venue gets closer to its full reopening. Construction in the Tribune area is moving forward with strong progress on the exterior. Workers are installing sandwich panels along the side, with most of the lateral section now covered. Steel structures in front of the panels are also in place, forming part of the framework. Meanwhile, crews are handling bolts, joints, and beam connections using cranes and lifting platforms. Concrete work continues in the lower sections, and pipes connected to the walls are being installed as part of internal systems, while protective materials are applied to beams for further finishing. On the third tier, work continues with some sections still missing the seating and others in concrete or leveling phases. From below, ceramic slats are being installed, while above, rotules are positioned and the blue safety netting is being set up. These steps are crucial for structural stability and fan safety, and in the coming days, this section will be nearly complete and ready for use. In the north goal area, one of the main updates is the installation of structural anchor points across the upper framework. Several anchors are already in place, while other sections are still waiting for installation. At the same time, workers are using elevated platforms to install metal reinforcements along the front edge of the cantilever, strengthening the structure before additional components are added. Another important area of progress is the elevator structure inside the scaffolding. Workers continue assembling the vertical framework that will house the stadium's elevator systems, reinforcing the steel structure and preparing it for the next stage of construction. One of the clearest visual changes can be seen at the stadium entrance near the store area. All the glass panels around the entrance have now been installed, including the 3 panels above the door that were still missing earlier in the week. With the frames and glass now fully placed, the entrance structure looks much more complete. Although additional elements such as doors and interior finishing still need to be installed, the area is starting to resemble its final appearance. In the south goal, significant progress is visible in material handling and structural adjustments. Cranes are actively lifting large components into place, while crews work on assembling the upper frameworks and supporting beams. Platforms and lifting equipment are being used efficiently to position these elements, ensuring precise alignment. Overall, the section shows steady advancement, with key structural components nearing completion. The installation of decorative lamas in the false ceiling area has also advanced significantly this week. Workers have been steadily placing these architectural elements across the structure, and in some sections, the lamas have already reached the end of the ceiling area. On the opposite side, only a small section remains unfinished. The progress this week has been noticeably faster than before, showing that once the preparation work was completed, the installation process began moving quickly. Above the lama installation area, workers on elevated platforms are painting the large black beams. This step is essential before the lamas are attached, ensuring the beams are properly finished and protected. Once the painting is completed, installation teams can continue placing the remaining lamas across the ceiling structure. The second large compression component, the second riostra, was lifted in the central lateral section to give full stability to the stadium's entire ring. At first, it didn't fit properly on the base, and even with the help of both cranes, it had to be lowered and carefully repositioned. Once the angle was adjusted and every single bolt and connection checked, it was finally lifted and secured perfectly. This is a crucial milestone because it not only strengthens the structure, but also allows all the upper-level work to progress safely and efficiently. Another visible update involves the installation of red pipes running along the ceiling structure. These pipes appear to be part of the stadium's fire safety system, likely connected to sprinkler or emergency water distribution networks. Workers are currently securing these pipes in place along the structural framework. That's all for today's Camp Nou update. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay tuned for more progress around the stadium.